I mean, I'm coming to you from this incredible bamboo house, and we're about to go to the spa, of course. Sergio's going to have his first forehand massage.
Oh my god, I'm so
in
excited
a tree
actually.
house.
I'm so excited.
In a tree house. Follow us.
Come on, honey. Look at this place, guys. It's so incredible. It's all made out of bamboo, as you can see. And it's absolutely beautiful. God, so beautiful. How you feel, honey?
Beautiful.
Eh?
Oh, he's lovely.
Wow, how beautiful these colors. How is that, honey?
Cold, so I wanted to do it. I'm not sure I can.
Oh, and you have to.
Well, let's see you stick your big toe in.
Oh, you look amazing, honey.
You are terrible at this
So
stuff.
pretty. Yeah, actually, I'm not going. Tell me, what do you think of the hotel?
I think we could retire here very happily.
Yes.
Really happily. This is exactly how I pictured the rest of my life, to be honest with you. You like this, me like this, do a few more years of work, and this is where we end up.
Exactly.
Kids come in and out.
I have to tell you, people, we are overly relaxed. This has been wonderful.
Tomorrow we have forehands. He's so excited.
I'm so excited. First time for hands. So we are on the way. I'm actually super excited to see this.
Yes, so we got invited to Bali Zoo, and I'm not a huge fan of zoos normally, but I have to say this is really, really lovely. It's really clean. The animals are kind of roaming free.
Yes, which is amazing. I was very surprised actually as well.
Yeah, and we're off to go and see them, and I think that this is
Something very special.
Really fun.
Yes.
Yeah, really special.
Yes. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the sound here. It's so good, eh?
Look at the sound. Listen.
Listen to the sound, my friend.
Careful you don't go flying down one of these.
I know.
And we're in hospital.
That would not be...
We're not feeding the orangutan.
No orangutans.
No orangutan.
So we
inside
arrived.
the zoo, and it isn't open for another 2 hours, I think, because we are having a special tour. And look how clean it is, and look how beautifully kept everything is.
It's actually amazing.
Yeah. And we're about to go and meet the orangutans.
I'm actually so excited for this. I've heard it's absolutely incredible. They gave us a little, you know, fast track VIP ticket here. Are you excited?
Barking deer.
Oh my
The
god.
male
look at
one.
this.
You can touch it, no problem.
Can I touch it?
Yes.
Really?
I will show you.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my god, look at this. Oh wow.
It's
Oh.
friendly already.
How beautiful is that? Come on, honey, you go. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Hello.
Oh wow. How are you, honey? Good morning.
Gorgeous. This is Molly.
Molly? Are you gonna feed her?
Close.
Yes. No problem. Molly is very gentle.
Oh my god, look at that. Very gentle, honey, very gentle. Okay, give her some food, honey. You gonna give her? Right in the tongue.
Here come the orangutans. They remind me a lot of Sergio. They're
Shut
super
up.
happy in the morning.
Shut
and
up.
They like just watch what they do.
You're
Just,
a
and tell me
horrible
they don't
person.
remind you of my husband.
Honey, that's a horrible thing to say. We're
Let
having
me
breakfast here. Lovely breakfast. And then we're gonna swim down there. And the orangutan is coming. Honey, what you holding? What's that?
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Oh my god, look at
How
that.
cute.
Name is Linkar.
How cute is that?
What's she called?
The pangolin.
Link?
Armadillo, but it's not.
That's so good.
Okay.
Thank you so much guys for watching. It's been an incredible experience.
It really has, and it's actually such a happy experience. Every animal's been so well looked after. The elephants rescue elephants before you ask.
Yes, and they're incredible.
And 13 of them, and they're sort of, I
they're
want to
so
live like
beautiful,
they do
so
here.
happy. Massage, food,
Yeah.
it's incredible how they take care of them.
Yeah, it's a lovely place to come. Come and visit and support them.
Yes, so we feel very, very blessed to be able to share this experience with you guys and with all the animals because it's amazing. We love you
Have a
guys.
great time. Get a
Yes,
break, kids.
exactly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, down here, below. Bye from Bali. We keep exploring.
Bye from Bali.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, down here, below. Bye from Bali. We keep exploring.
Bye from Bali.
From the mountains of the east of Bali. After being with orangutans, elephants and exploring all Ubud and the south of Bali, today we are here in the east in, I would say, one of the most spectacular villas in Bali. This is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna show you around. I'm going quiet because there's literally no one around here. Look at the views behind me. It's so beautiful. And this is the villa right behind me. Stay there guys because we're gonna go inside.